Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. What is the state of the cryptocurrency market? Are altcoins going to fly this week? We're already seeing some early signs of altcoin season. According to the altcoin season index, you should be seeing big pumps over the next few days, over the next few weeks. But sentiment, guys, is still fearful in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are still scared, even though according to altcoin season index, right now we're in altcoin season. If you take a look at Ethereum, still down around $2,000. Buying Ethereum in April of 2023 would have still been the same price in June of 2026. What a crazy rise that bring for the altcoin market. But it's not all bad news, guys. If you look at Bitcoin dominance, some early signs that Bitcoin dominance might be on the decline. Bitcoin dominance might be ready for that big dump to goblin town that will send all coins flying to the moon. We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Let's start with the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. If you look at the top 10 crypto by market capitalization right now, Bitcoin is still the king of the market. And we've seen Zcash over the last 1 week make a run. Zcash right now is down 13% over the last 1 week. The last 1 week was crazy in the market, bearishness. We saw some bullishness at beginning of May, but ending of May, we saw a lot of market participants getting very bearish. The top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, Dogecoin is still keeping up Zcash from that number 10 position. Hyperliquid is turning to be a solid top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Hyperliquid right now is up 15% over the last 7 days. Market cap sitting at $18 billion. And Tron sitting at number 8. Solana, USDT, XRP, BNB, Theta, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Now we're expecting the cryptocurrency markets in the month of June to have positive return. The cryptocurrency market has been showing some early signs of that positive month of June. Right now, I'm expecting the bears to get liquidated, and over the last 30 days, a lot of bears got loud again. A lot of bears got loud as they saw all coins start dumping ending of May. But remember, guys, the mantra is always to buy low, is always to sell high. If you look at what has happened in Q2 of 2026, Ethereum is down 4.26%. Bitcoin is still up 7.8%. I really believe, guys, over the next few months, we're going to see capital slowly shifting from Bitcoin into the altcoin market, and we're going to see a lot of market participants that have been shorting altcoins over the last few years get liquidated. You might wonder, how will they get liquidated? For you to get liquidated when you're shorting a coin, guys, or when you're shorting a market, when you're shorting a products, you have to pump to the moon. Now, for the shorts to get liquidated, we have to pump to the upside. For the longs, the people that are betting that will go to the upside for them to get liquidated, we have to go to the downside. And I see a future where we'll actually pump to the upside, the bulls get overconfident, more market participants will come in before we eventually dump to Goblin Town. Because, guys, retail investors don't buy at the bottom. Retail investors buy at the top. Retail investors buy when it's exciting. What do retail investors buy? They are not going to buy Bitcoin. You have to think about it from perspective of normie. If you're getting into the market right now, how many people have the luxury to $370,000 or $100,000 to just buy one Bitcoin? Few people will do that. They'd rather buy XLM, Zcash, or rather buy Sky, Jupiter, Hyperliquid, Zcash, because it makes them feel they're getting more value for money. And if you look at performances, just look at the last 1 week, for example. XLM is up 74%, Injective is up 26%, Fetch is up 28%, Bitcoin, the king of the market, the last 1 week is just down 4.3%. So if you want your money to work well, you want your money to go far, that's like a retail investor. Most times they go for the altcoin market, and that's why Bitcoin dominance is going to be very important over the next few days and the next few weeks. Historically, Bitcoin dominance has always dumped Goblin Town. Altcoin market go crazy. That's the end of the cycle. We saw it happen in 2017. Crazy dump for Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance was sitting around 96%. When the bull market ended, Bitcoin dominance was somewhere around 35%. What happened during this period in time was altcoins going crazy, XRP, XLM. And when Bitcoin dominance continued going back up from 2018 till around beginning of 2021, we saw Bitcoin less not having a great time. It had some pumps around this time. Bitcoin had some pumps in that 2019, 2020. But when Bitcoin dominance started a big decline to gobbling down, that's when altcoins go crazy. An argument can be made that Bitcoin dominance topped in August of 2019, and that's when the decline started. But you can see that when Bitcoin dominance did this fake out, the next big dump for Bitcoin dominance led us to an altcoin party. Now we've seen Bitcoin dominance to also rise over the last 3 years. So Bitcoin gets $15,000. A lot of market participants right now already even calling for a bear market, and I'm like, we have not still seen Bitcoin dominance dump the way it usually dumps. We have not seen altcoins go crazy. Yes, some altcoins have pumped over the last 2 years. Some altcoins have had their own time in the sun. We have not seen the general altcoin markets have that kind of crazy pump that was sent retail investors running back to the crypto market. I suspect, guys, we're going to see that dump in Bitcoin dominance that will send retail investors running back to the market. Now, if you look at the total altcoin market, because if retail investors are coming back to the market, we're going to get altcoin season. We'll also look at the altcoin season index. But first, let's look at total cryptocurrency market cap excluding Bitcoin. That's what we call altcoins. Anything in the cryptocurrency market excluding Bitcoin. And right now, total cryptocurrency market cap excluding Bitcoin is down bad. You can clearly see we got to new all-time highs in October of 2025, but that all-time high was short-lived. Since then, we have been dumping to gobbling down. In the case where Bitcoin fails to set new all-time highs, we expect the cryptocurrency market cap excluding Bitcoin to set new all-time highs. That will be a telltale sign, guys, that the cycle is over. That will be a telltale sign to run for the hills. Anytime you see the altcoin market setting new highs without Bitcoin setting new highs, is always trouble in paradise. Market participants are getting excited, and that's one sign I'll be looking out for right now. This is financial advice. Always looks like a good time to buy low, because if you follow that mantra, guys, one of the things that has the surest hit rate in crypto is buying when other market participants are scared and selling when they get excited. The cryptocurrency market cap, excluding Bitcoin, has gotten to as high as $1.77 trillion. I'll not be shocked to see it at some point in time, guys. Maybe even hit the $2 trillion level in 2026 before eventually dump to gobbling down. That's my best case scenario. I have to give my worst case scenario. Remember, the market is very dynamic, very fluid. I'll not be shocked to see that cryptocurrency market cap, worst case scenario, get to as high as $1.5 trillion. An argument can be made that, you know what, Ethereum is the one holding to that cryptocurrency market cap. Ethereum has market cap of around $242 billion. If you take that out, you'll be left with total cryptocurrency market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And that also could set new all-time highs, which you see it going to as high as over $1.2 trillion. But right now, bearishness still in the market, even though we are still seeing some positive signs from altcoins. Altcoins pumping from the left and center. Ethereum trades around $2,000. Bitcoin, the king of the market, trades around $73,000. And according to altcoin season index, this is the big one, guys. You have to see this. The altcoin season index says, you know what? We are actually in an altcoin season right now on a monthly time frame, which means over the last 30 days, altcoins, 75% of the top 50 altcoins have outperformed Bitcoin. And that's why if you go to the altcoin season index, you see that today we are in an alt season. Now, that may not feel like an alt season from what other market participants have explained what alt season means, all the coins pumping, we're all singing kumbaya. Alt season just means altcoins are doing better than Bitcoin, and right now, according to the altcoin season index, altcoins are actually doing better than Bitcoin. Hopefully, it translates this week to the chart. But remember, guys, when your friend is telling you to join crypto, when the normal normies are coming to join crypto, when people are not interested, when the prices are down, are suddenly giving you cryptocurrency tips, telling you which coins to buy, that might be the end of the road. You just have to play the game smart. To play game smart, you have to be ready to sell when the prices go high and when market participants are greediest at the most. News stories going around the cryptocurrency markets. US and UK central bank offers contrarian views on stablecoins. Bitcoin price targets $78,000 as Bitcoin holders defend strongest near-term support. And crypto lobbying spending on Republicans far outpace Democratic support. Still on the general cryptocurrency market, guys, if you look at Bitcoin dominance, very important. That's what we're going to pay attention to this week, and I'll give you subsequent updates on Bitcoin dominance. But Bitcoin dominance this week is really going to tell us where altcoins are going. If Bitcoin dominance starts a big decline, anything below 57%, we're singing Kumbaya, we're going to the moon. Where Bitcoin dominance continues on its way to higher prices, maybe, just maybe, we have to wait some more before the rally comes. But right now, all things look good, all things look dandy. Sentiment is still fear in the cryptocurrency market. There's fear today, there was fear yesterday, there was fear last week, there was fear last month. We're expecting grid to return, and when that grid returns, guys, plan your trade and trade your plan. The only way to make money in this cryptocurrency market is to have a plan, execute the plan, and conclude your campaign. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.